Good morning, friends. Today we'll talk about business news analysis. Business news analysis, that is, we'll discuss latest business news as on 25 4 2024. That means April 25, 24. So this is a very important topic for MBA students or business students to understand the business newspaper and to correlate what are the current affairs in business with the topics, with the concepts we study in our courses. So this business news analysis, for this purpose, I have selected Business Standard, which is a very standard newspaper, and I am very much fond of its editorial pages and columns, etc. So now let us see the newspaper. I will share the newspaper and then we will discuss various topics in that. So I'm sharing the newspaper. So now you can see that the Business Standard newspaper of Thursday, 25th April 2024. So here if you see in the top left-hand corner, so here it is given the snapshot of the markets on Wednesday. So yesterday's markets movement is given here. So here what is given is the indices. Sensex, BSE Sensex is yesterday closing at 73,852. That means a change of 114 points. Nifty is 22,402 points. And that is 34 points. And Nifty futures is at a premium at 22,509. Nifty futures is up by 107 points. So you can see that as a percentage, it is very small. So it is almost 0.2%, 0.1% to 0.2%, which is insignificant. We can't read much into that. So we can say it's a range-bound movement of the markets on Wednesday. However, Nifty futures is at a considerable premium of 107 points. The dollar, you see the dollar is at 83.3 and euro is at 89. And that is dollar rupee and euro rupee. Is all with respect to rupee conversion rates. And Brent crude is $88 per barrel. And gold 10 grams is at 71,538. As you can observe, gold is in a very big bullish trend in the last few months. So this is it is reaching highs every day. That is about what is the market movement. So in there is one of the most important concepts when we are trying to analyze the business newspaper. First thing to take stock of is what is the market, what is happening to the market yesterday. So that way, because markets are a barometer of the economy and various factors, then a snapshot will come to you by observing the indicators. Now, if you, in front page, there is a offer document given, that is IPO of J&K India Limited. Now you see the main paper, there is a news that, Kotak Mahindra Bank faces RBI curbs over IT concerns. So there is a news item on Kotak Mahindra Bank, some restrictions by RBI. That is restricting it to not to add any new customers online or fresh credit cards. This is the news. And in another news, if you see, Hindustan Unilever Q4 net profit slips 1.6%. Demand pickup expected. So here, now we are in a result season. That means the Q4. So that means January, February, March results are coming. So now we are in April. A lot of companies are announcing their quarter 4 results. So then you can see that this net profit slips 1.6%. We see the figures actually. So revenue is down quarter on quarter at minus 1.67%, and EB profit before interest depreciation tax EBIDT is minus 2.9%. If you see the quarter on quarter, and net profit is 2% up if compare quarter on quarter. So another companies are also given in the later pages. That is LTI, Mindtree, and Axis Bank. All these things. Now, if you go to the second page, so there is a stock specific news. Stock specific news where individual stocks results are given. Individual stocks. So what are the stocks in news? So this is a thing called Chennai Petroleum Corporation. So it is gone up almost by 15% because there is a news of dividend of 55 rupees per equity share. And various news are there regarding to Lal Cargo Logistics, JDS Life Sciences, Purvankara, etc. So now in this third page, so now you can see that you can take news of business news as economic news and industry news and company news. So that will give us a total overall picture of all the news items, the total economic. Now you have a corporate news like LTI Mindtree. So it is saying that the results LTI Mindtree is a net profit of 1,100 crores, and it is down 1% year on year, and revenue is up year on year at 2.3%. And so we say that whenever we read the news, we read results, we have to compare it to estimate. Absolutely. So relative to the estimates, whether their estimates of analysts, whether the results are matching up or missing. If any company misses the estimates, then the market doesn't like it. So that way, we have to analyze these results. And also there is another news, the silver price rally. Hindustan Zinc to enter into value adds. That is, the silver price is also going up. I think a lot of precious metals are witnessing rally, like gold, silver. And also there is another news item where Supreme Court's direction in case of Patanjali. When this which is in the FMCG sector. They say that misleading advertisements of exaggerated claims of Patanjali. So, of course, Patanjali is of Baba Ramdev's company. And I think this is how a lot of FMCG companies are coming into the limelight for the wrong reasons. We see Nestle previously they adding sugar to baby milk, food products, and this is how the news items are there. And there are various news items like we have somebody selling stake in delivery company that is 2.8% selling the stake. And if you see some political news are also coming, page 6. So if you see there is a CNT results also are announced here. So you see the results. So we have to segregate what all news we are studying into these broader segments: market movement, economic news, industry news, company news, and miscellaneous. And if anything is there, some editorial comments. Okay. So we see in the editorial comments, there is something on international trade and also international affairs for India's regional trade strategy. And if we see the various other items, that is majorly now because of the impending elections, some news items are there regarding elections. This is how we have to analyze the business news. And also one item is there here where they say that there is a need for caution on micro, small, and mid cap stocks because they are all gone up heavily in the last no, 1 month, 2 months because the risk is high. In such uh, stocks which are not in the big league. And also there is some analysis on Tata Consumer Products. And also there is a observation that demat accounts are going up. That means the financialization of savings. No, rather than savings going up, going into bank fixed deposits or real estate. Now, there is a lot of priority for demat accounts. Means it is going into financial assets. And next is the news that is we have a stock market page where summary of the markets given, like days top gainers, top losers, most traded, and market cap, what are the high in the market cap, and 52-week new highs or lows. All these things are given. So this is how we have to approach business news uh, in this business news analysis. And over the time, you will get a grip over this and you will be able to connect the dots. So what is important is if you go on reading the newspaper, analyzing newspaper, noting down important points, at some point, if you do it for regularly for 6 months, you will be able to gain huge number of knowledge, and not only knowledge, the wisdom. That means you're connecting so many news items and you will come to conclusion. So that's why this daily news analysis is a very useful and very important concept for business students, and for that matter, any person who is trying to understand business, economy, or financial markets. This will be very useful. Thank you. Thank you very much.